Hello everyone, welcome back to another video where today I'll show you a new update for my exploit, Spec V2. Now, this update, the code name is Spider UI, because, I don't know, but yeah, it's a really cool UI. So, I'm gonna real quickly go into my new UI, and as you can see, it has a lot more DLLs. Now, the reason why is because it's now multi-API exploit, so you can actually switch between APIs, so yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. But yeah, so let's just real quickly review what all the panels do. Now, these are pretty simple. It's fine if you don't know them. I'll walk through them real quick. Execute, clear, open, save, and inject. Now, this is the scriptless panel. You can load any script you want. And while yes, this does not have syntax highlighting, as you can see if I do a simple print. So yeah, as you can see, no syntax highlighting. Sorry if you wanted that in an exploit, but to me it really doesn't matter. And also, yes, it does have a little bit of crashing, but it's super easy if you just relaunch it. Now, you might think, what happens if it crashes? Won't it, like, not work anymore? No, it actually works 100% fine. Sorry about the crashes, whatever. Move on to the next thing. Now here in this panel, all the scripts work. AlHub is only for Oxygen U, but I'll show you how to switch your APIs in a second. So, yeah, pretty nice. Now, say you don't want to have to go here and then back. A really easy way to inject quickly, click on File and click on Inject. Now, this will actually inject on whichever API you're using. It's super cool, so yeah. So, as you can see, we have Remote Spy, Dex Explorer. This is actually Dex V4. I just stole this screenshot from SynapseX, so yeah. Infinite Yield, Lucidity, really good MM2 GUI, by the way. Then we have AlHub and unnamed ESP. So now let's just go real quickly to the settings. Now, all these settings actually work. Pretty cool. I had auto inject, but that was really buggy, and it just basically broke my exploit. So yeah, I gotta remove that. So yeah, sorry if it's a bit disappointing, but whatever. Yes, it does have a nice little topmost toggle. As you can see, if I go to this page, and then boom, it's not there, as you can see when I click. But if you go back here and click topmost, as you can see, it works. Now, there's also a semi-transparent option, so if you really like, semi-transparent stuff, it's nice. It's pretty nice, so yeah. Now, we have a few more buttons. FPS Unlocker, it just launches FPS Unlocker. That's why FPS Unlocker is in the settings. So let me real quickly quit that. I have a lot of things open, geesh. Kill Roblox, it kills Roblox, pretty simple. Join our Discord, it actually joins our Discord, as you can see, boom. So yeah, pretty freaking cool. And then you have the API settings. So as you can see, I can switch between these, go here. As you can see, if I do inject, it will open Oxygen U. But if I switch back to Amino API and then do inject, just give it a second, game not found. So yeah, pretty cool. I'll use Amino's API, Nemo's API, because it's keyless and pretty nice. It's basically like Easy Exploits API, but with drawing libs and a few more things. Alright, let's get into executing. Alright, so now that we're in game, let's quickly inject it, just to, see how good it is. So, as you can see, we'll wait, and boom. So, now that Cheat Spot's loaded, it will tell you right there, Amino injected, so boom. So now, let's real quickly fire a pretty easy script to fire up. So, I'll just do, like, Lucidity, Give it a second, and boom, we got Lucidity. Now, yes, I know this is only for MM2. I'll go in an MM2 game in a second. But just wanted to show you that, yeah, it works pretty freaking well. I don't know. I like it. Boom, we have Dex Explorer. As you can see, Infinite Yield. Boom, Infinite Yield is there. So, yeah. Pretty freaking nice API, I mean, most scripts can run what I've just showed you, even Dex, Dex is pretty easy to run nowadays. Well, it still does lag, but whatever. But yeah, pretty cool. I mean, a lot of things, so yeah. So now that we're in an M2 game, let's real quickly inject and just see, how's it like. So, as you can see, boom, Amino injected. Now, if you're wondering why it didn't redirect me, sometimes it does that. I'll just go here, click out. Sometimes that'll happen, sometimes it won't, whatever. So yeah. As you can see, we have a Lucidity open, and Lucidity, I'm going to show you how good it works. I am real quickly going to minimize this. I'll turn on ESP, Infinite Jump, and No Clip, because yeah. And as you can see, and whenever it loads, boom. Now, of course, I actually don't like using most of this stuff to, hide from the murder and stuff. I usually use it to troll around, have some fun. And it's kind of hard to do it in these little small environments, but, it's just gotta deal with it. So yeah. It also, Lucidity gives you some nice little notifications, and it's a lot better than the one from Spec Hub. Lucidity's pretty good, but instead of talking about Lucidity or any other script hub, let's real quickly talk about Oxygen UAPI. Now, you might ask, why is Oxygen UAPI so important? Well, let's just say it runs really well. Now, if I type in key, it'll redirect me to this website. All I gotta do is our second key page, and boom, we got the key. Now, this key only works for 6 hours, so yeah, but whatever. Alright, so now that we closed out of this little file option, let's run AlHub and just see, oh, it works. So yeah, as you can see, this might work for Amino, but when I tested it last time, it didn't work. So that's really up to you. If yours works, please tell me, that would be awesome, but yeah. Usually it doesn't work. So let's just real quickly test. I'm not going to turn on tracers or team check. Oh no, I'll have team check on, but yeah. I'll quickly turn up my walk speed and height speed or jump speed, whatever you want to call it. And as you can see, if we go here, boom. So yeah, as you can see, my display username shows up. I don't know why. Kind of funny, but whatever. Just like, I can literally look probably anywhere and it auto fires. So it's pretty freaking amazing. Easy aim, I love you. So yeah. It's actually silent aim, so yeah, I meant to say silent aim, not easy aim. But yes, it is very easy aim, and while yes, this does kill your aim in most games, it's not as bad as aimbot, because aimbot, that really kills your aim and stuff. In most of these games, you know, you're just running around, shooting randomly, and boom, you got a bunch of kills. So now that we've finished all the stuff, looked at all the stuff, scripts list and everything, it's really up to you to decide now, do you want it or not? Now, yes, it has a few frequent crashes, but that's mainly with the scripts list. Now, I don't think you'll be using the script list much, since all the scripts that I would normally see people use are usually in here or here. If you want to go to the scripts list, I suggest going to this, then that. I don't really know why, but, you know, it's Visual Studios type stuff, you know? But yeah, I really hope you enjoyed this video, since I did work a bit on it, and, well, I mean, it's pretty freaking cool if you ask me. At the end of the day, it's free, and if you want to do kernel or any other exploit, that's fine with me, since, you know, I don't care. I'm just here to supply keyless fun exploits for anyone who wants it. So yeah, hope you enjoyed the video. If you liked, you liked, and if you disliked, you disliked. See you later.